Hello, dear children. Hope you all are doing great. I'm here to teach you a new topic of English, that is the use of capital letter and full stop. So today we are going to learn when to use full stop and when to use capital letters when we are writing in English. So let's start. Now, before we learn that when we are going to use capital letters, let's see what are capital letters. The capital letters, as we know, are also called as big letters or uppercase letters. You can see here on the screen, you have capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have capital letters from A to Z. Now, when do we use capital letters? Firstly, always remember, whenever we start a sentence, whenever we start writing a sentence, the first letter is always a capital letter. Then name of a person, like name, you can say my name is Richa, so R will be capital. Name of a place, like India, I will be capital. Delhi, D will be capital. Days of the week and months will be capital. And I, capital I, we always write capital I. Now, let's see. Whenever we begin a sentence, that means whenever we start writing a sentence, we always use capital letter. If, for example, you can see here, the man arrived. So the sentence is starting with the, so T will be capital. Here, my name is Lara. So M will be capital because this is the start of the sentence. And L will also be capital because Lara is name of a person. And also remember, after every full stop, the next letter will always be capital letter. What will it be? It will always be a capital letter. Then other than that, whenever we begin the sentence, we use a capital letter to begin a sentence. Use a capital letter for the letter I. I is always written in capital letters. How is I written? I is always written in capital letters. We never write small I like this. Okay, so always remember this. We always write I in capital letters. Now, coming to the next slide, we use capital letter for subjects. Like you have different subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, EVS. So, English E will be capital, Hindi H will be capital, and for Maths M will be capital. We also use capital letters for days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and months of the year, January, February. The first letter is always capital. Even for the holidays like Christmas and Diwali, the first letter is capital. Again, I'm going to repeat, once again, I'll repeat. Days of the week like Monday, M will be capital. Tuesday, T will be capital. And for name of the months, January, J will be capital. And February, F will be capital. Now, other than that, we have the names of the countries and even languages and the nationalities. So, the first letter of the name of the country or name of the place is also written in capital letters. Like India, I is capital, China, C is capital. Now, the languages that are spoken, like Japanese, J is capital, English, E is capital. We also use capital for people's names and titles. Title is like Mr. and Doctor. You have already read the lesson, The Ant and the Grasshopper. In that lesson, it is there. We have Mr. Ant and Mr. Grasshopper. So there you will see Mr. Ant and Mr. Grasshopper. M is capital. Similarly, if we write DR, DR stands for doctor. So here D will be capital. And I've already told you this, that name of people, name of boy or name of girl, it will always be in capital letters. Name of places like Delhi, Paris, Goa will be in capital letter. The first letter, the first alphabet will always be in capital letters. Even the name of the monuments, like Red Fort, R will be capital, F will be capital, Taj Mahal, all these will be in capital letters. Now coming to the next topic, that is full stop. Now full stop, all of us know what do you mean by stop. Stop means to wait or to end something. So whenever we finish a sentence, we always put a full stop at the end. Now what is a full stop? Full stop is a dot that we put at the end of the sentence. And always remember, when you have used a full stop to end a sentence, remember to start the next sentence with a capital letter. And I have a little activity. What you're going to do is these questions I have given you, you have to see what are the mistakes that are there in this. You have to correct them. For example, my name is Daniel. Now, Daniel is name of a person and it has to be in capital letters. How it has to be? It has to be in capital letters. So this will be a capital D. Now the next one, my birthday is on the 2nd of August. This also I've told you the name of the days and name of the months will always be in capital letters. What will it be? It will always be in capital letters. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is again small, so this is wrong. It has to be a capital T. The next one, I live in West Cliff. I have always told you that I will always be in capital letter. And West Cliff is also name of a place. So this will also be a capital W. So I hope you'll be able to do the remaining questions yourself. Please do them and your English notebook. I hope you have understood this lesson nicely. Thank you, dear children.